Today we're going to be looking at the Fall 2018 box of style. If you're interested in seeing what's inside and how it looks on me, I'm going to try it all on. Just keep watching. This just showed up. That is why the hair is just like seriously a ponytail that is thrown up with like kind of nothing done to it. But I went ahead and I put on a black tank top and leggings so I could try on all the items because I know it's in here and I think that's going to kind of work with it. And we'll have a lot of fun checking all of that out. Before we get going, if you haven't subscribed yet, just hit that subscribe button and don't forget to click the little bell for notifications so you can find out when I have new videos come out. Also, don't forget to follow me on Instagram and pretty much everywhere at YayOrNayNicole. If you're new to my channel, hi, I'm Nicole. I'm 51 years old and I do a lot of kind of over 40 beauty, lifestyle cooking, things that will make your life more fun, delicious, beautiful, and hopefully we'll save some money along the way. Box of Style comes out quarterly. It is $100 a quarter, or if you subscribe annually, it's $350 for the entire year. So you save a little bit of money that way. If you just want to do it quarterly and if you've never subscribed, I do have a discount code below that'll get you at least $10 off. Sometimes it's 20 or 30, just kind of seems to be what the promotion is. And honestly, right now, I don't remember, but the minimum it would be $10. Anyhow, let's look at what's inside of the box and I will try it all on for you. Now, they do have add-ons. So before the box is going to ship, they will have a selection of different items that you can add on to the box, and they're generally at a very good value. So the one thing I did add on, I've never done an add-on before for a box of style, is these earrings. And they were on the side of this box in a larger carton. So I did go ahead and take those out because at first they looked so long. They were just like a little plastic bag with a little bit of wrap around them. I thought, what is this? I didn't realize they were this long. Look how long these are. But we will try this on. So I paid an additional $29.99 for these because the necklace that's in this box will match it. And it's kind of unique. And wow, I've got a little mirror here I'm trying to look at. Yeah, those are really kind of cool. They're longer than what I usually wear, but I kind of like it because I don't have any that almost brush my shoulders like this. They feel very good quality. They are a little heavy, but not to the point where I will be dying. I probably wouldn't want to wear these for like 10 hours, but for several hours or an event or something, I think they'd be fine. And I think they look really cute. Okay, now for the box. Here we go. So it's wrapped like this. There's a little catalog inside and it shows each item, explains why Rachel Zoe and her team chose the item for the box, the inspiration behind it, and gives styling tips, and of course, the retail value. So let's start with the first item. The first thing that I see is a little card for Beauty Pie for a subscription, free trial membership, giving you access to skincare and makeup from the world's leading cosmetics labs at an incredible, no middleman, no markup price. If you don't know about Beauty Pie, I haven't actually ever subscribed to it before, but apparently they get really high quality cosmetics for a lower price. But again, I have not ever tried anything from them, so excited to because there's something from Beauty Pie in here. Ooh, first thing in here is Caudalie Vinoperfect. This is a serum and it's got the squalene in it. So I'm trying to find it in English. Radiance Serum Complexion Correcting. So that will be nice to try. I have tried a couple things from this line before, a toner and a moisturizer, two different kinds. I think an eye cream and moisturizer, but not this before. So very nice packaging, very heavy, feels very quality. And the retail price of this is $79. Now, given that this box is $99 and I would want to try this, I'm already really happy because this is a really nice brand. Second item. Ooh, this is a belt. We were able to choose our size of this belt. There are certain things that you're able to choose. Sometimes it'll be the color of a handbag or a jacket or shawl or size of a belt or things like that. The belt is by Below the Belt. It is vegan leather and it is a $70 retail value. So here's the belt and I will try it on for you in a moment. All right, here's another item. This must be the necklace. They call this necklace the Elegant Extra. It's by Ettika. And let's see what it looks like on. This is the Ettika Chloe Tassel necklace. It has a retail value of $80. So right now it's going way down my cleavage. So if I were wearing a sweater or something, this would be really good. I think I need to tighten this up so that it is not totally in my cleavage. Okay, there we go. Now it's a little more choker-like. Still really hitting me down there in the boobs. Let me see if we can make this even tighter. This is as tight as it goes. So I kind of wish it would hit here. I wonder if that's something that I could somehow do. I'll have to figure that out. but it is really cute and I kind of like it with the earrings. What do you think? The next item is a mascara. It's by Beauty Pie. So I have been looking forward to checking this out because I've never tried anything from this line before. It is the Über Volume Boost Mascara. It's made in Italy. And let's see what the value of this one is. It has a $24 value. Let's see what the brush looks like. Okay, that looks like a nice brush. It doesn't have a ton of bristles. I usually go for ones that have really, really bristly brushes like the Monsieur Big or the Better Than Sex Mascara by Too Faced. The Monsieur Big is by Lancome, but I will try this. I've been seeing this all over the Box of Style social media channels. I had my choice of a solid black or this color. And I went for this color just to get out of my comfort zone because I have so much black. They call this the Luxe Layer. It is the Cleobella Sevigny Capelet exclusive with a retail value of $228. Here we have it. Let me show you the fabric close up. It has a very nice tight weave to it. And there is more of a close up of the pattern. Let's go try it on. Here it is unbelted, so you can see what it looks like. Just have on these little fried booties that I love. So it's cute. It's very wide, so it would really fit pretty much probably any size of person, I would think. There is a lot of fabric, so I'm interested to see how it's going to really work with the belt. So let me put the belt on. Here it is belted. I'm not sure how much of a fan I am of it belted. It looked a lot better on the people on social media. There's just a lot of fabric and I've tried to kind of pull it to the back. And this obviously you could tuck, but I want to show you guys how much length I had left. And like if I put my arms up, it gets really short and it looks super baggy. But when I pull it down more where it's longer and I think it's more attractive, then I can't move my arm. So I don't know if I'm doing something wrong. Yeah, I think I like this better without. Let's take this back off. Rachel, come style me. Make it work for me. If you go by retail value, this box has a value of $481 and you would pay $99 for it if you're doing the quarterly plan or about $80 if you were on the annual plan and got that bigger discount. So I'm trying to think about, is this worth it to me for the $99 or $80 that you would have paid? For me, yes. I've been wanting to try something by Beauty Pie. I like the serum. This is very cute. I would never pay $228 for it. Maybe it's this brand, you know, the quality seems very, very nice, but I would not have picked this up for $228. But, you know, grouped in, sitting in a box like this, I think it was worth it. Is this my favorite box ever? No. Do I like it? Yes. Will that belt come in handy for some things? Yes. So overall, for me, it was worth it. Again, I have other boxes from Box of Style that I've liked better, but I think this is great for fall. Something cozy, something glittery, some makeup, something for my skincare. I'm into it. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't yet. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day or evening wherever you are.